This is my incredibly handsome husband flying the drone. Well, kind of crashing the drone. Yeah, that he got for Robby for his birthday. He told me one day, he said, Robby said he wanted to fly a drone. So I'm going to get Robby. Okay, and he's like, yeah, I'm going to get him a drone. Now I'm like, you know what? I think he was trying to buy it so he could try it out. So he could see if he would. Yeah, that was one he wanted to get.
I can't remember what. Alyssa came and asked me some weird question. And then I was like, oh, I want to fly. And Mom's like, you want me to buy you a drone? It's like, what? I didn't say that.
Why are you trying to record me while I'm in this hideous sweatshirt? Oh.
Okay. As Bryce always loves it when I say this, over and out.